Hi, I'm Maciej from n8n talking about the data loss prevention. Today I will show you how to install n8n on TrueNAS. It will took not more than 2 minutes, really. But on the beginning, I will tell you that I will not definitely focus on how to create workflows, how to create automation. It's not this channel. I will focus only on how to install it, how to find your data, and how to make sure that your data have backup and will not disappear if something will happen. So self-hosted is the good idea. Why self-hosted? It's quite important. First, also because of money. If you just want to test it, if you just want to play around, it's perfect solution. Second thing, in my opinion, definitely the most important are credentials. Please remember that if you will use automation stuff like n8n, you will need to log into your Google account, to your CRM, to your email, to your LLMs and stuff like that. You will need keys to use that. And you need to put those keys in there. So just consider, are you sure that you want to put all your keys to some cloud? It's your decision. Next, so if self-hosted, probably Docker Compose would be the best solution. In my opinion, it's a good solution. I like it. I use it, Docker Compose, quite a lot. But I will show you how to do it really in 2 minutes on TrueNAS. I will show you how to install it and also how to create the backup. So I will do all of that, but just after the sponsored part. If you need our support in designing, implementing or maintaining infrastructure related to virtualization, remote access or TrueNAS storage, feel free to contact us. If you don't need our support but you like what we do, like and subscribe, you know the drill. Thanks. And now let's get back to the technical details. Okay, let's install our n8n on TrueNAS. This is our test TrueNAS with TrueNAS version 25.10 release candidate. It's Goldeye. It's release candidate version. So we should start from creation of dataset. Let's go to the datasets. Let's create one. Let's name it n8n. Okay. We will keep here our n8n data. What we need to create more? We need to create dataset to allow to put n8n data. Let's call it data. And we need to also create dataset where we will keep a database of Postgres. Postgres is database used to keep n8n configuration. Let's call it database. We need to remember that when we are using GUI, in my case root or whatever user, we will create dataset with the user which we are logged in. It's not what we want in that case. Take a look. It's a root. Yeah, it's root. We need to change that. We need to change that because application will be started as user app, and if that we will leave it like that, application we will not have access to that data. So let's find that user app. Please remember match apply user. If not, it will just not apply. Apps user, let's click both of them. Let's access, let's leave like that. So we are changing owner of dataset and save. It's set. Yeah, it's apps. That's great. So we need to go to the apps and let's find our n8n. Okay, we have it. Looks good. Install. Normally it is definitely 2 minutes. I'm talking and talking and talking. That's why it's not 2 minutes. let's add some configuration. Let's application name. Please remember that there is only one application could have that particular name. So if you will add additional n8n, it needs to be named somehow else. But in that case, one n8n, let's leave it n8n. Version, only one. Time zone, in my case, it's Warsaw. Postgres, when it's a new application, let's use the newest one. If possible, let's say 15. If we will have some other version and we need to migrate here, maybe that could be a better idea, but in that case, let's use the newest one. Webhost, it's the URL, use it, login. So in my case, it will be that IP. It's the IP of TrueNAS. Database password, of course, it has to be very complicated, but in my case, we are only testing. It's only a demo. Password will be the best. Choice. Database, like I mentioned, this is a password to Postgres database. Use it to keep configuration. Redis is the cache, and this is the password to reach the cache. Encryption key, this is the encryption key used by n8n. Let's make it password also. If we will need to add additional variables, we can do it here, but in our case, it makes no sense. Please notice that user ID is 568. This is exactly user up on TrueNAS. That's why the dataset needs to be up to allow user to read and write data. That it have to be matched. It doesn't. We don't have clear information that it's user up, but believe me, it is. Let's go ahead. Bind mode. Let's leave it like that. So let's bind the. Let's publish the port on TrueNAS IP address. Use the port 30.108. Please remember to make sure that this is you don't have covered with other application. You are not using this port anywhere else. If in case it is already used, it just won't start up. Go ahead. Certificate. I strongly suggest to use certificate, for example, Proxy Manager and Nginx Proxy Manager. I have material about that. Go ahead and use it. I will not show you in that material, but for test, I will use not certificate, but it's definitely not best approach. Okay, go ahead. n8n data storage. Like I mentioned, this is a place when n8n keep data. If we will leave like that, it will be kept in IX volumes. We don't want to that. We want to be able to copy, to keep, to know where are our data. So host path. Let's find our data set which we create. Let's match it. Here it is. The next one, the place when Postgres data will leave. The same, not IX volume, but host path. And we need to show our data set. We do not need to handle DB dataset privileges or owner, because we will use like that automatic permission. Only this dataset need to be handled manually. In case of database, he will handle it automatically. Just remember to match this one. Additional storage, in that case, we don't need it. Labels, we don't need it. Resource limit for a test, definitely more than enough. So a lot of talking, but it will be just install, and it will take a little bit longer than it should because of my test. hardware. Okay, it's deployed. Let's take a look on that. So our n8n is n8n server as itself. Like I mentioned, Postgres to keep all configuration. Postgres update, it's exited. So if you will spin up the new one and he will notice that it's a new version of Postgres, he will do the upgrade. Next one, Redis. It's the cache, it's running. Permission, it's container, it's exited. It's this container responsible for change privileges on DB, on Postgres DB dataset. Okay, so let's see where our data are. Let's go to the MNT pool, n8n, and we create that datasets, and we have those data. n8n data, cache, and all of data necessary to allow n8n leave and keep our data, and Postgres database as itself. It's just created and it's working. So when we will plan to backup our n8n, we need to keep those two folders in mind that have them backed up. So, just the copy or a clone or whatever files, it's not always best approach. Please remember that one of those is database. So it's better solution to have dumps, because when we will copy the files, it will work mostly, but it's not the perfect solution. So let's try to figure it out what to do with that. Let's create the script. Let's add something like that. I will show you what is that. What do we have here? This is the information which shell we should use. In that case, it's bash. We need the script it's using Docker. He's using execute, so he will try to execute something on Docker node. Docker node would be this one. This is the name of database Docker Docker database. How to find that? Let's check it. Docker, yes. Okay. Once again, okay. It's not clear. We have a lot of Dockers here, but let's focus. Created, status, and name. So this is the name of container n8n. This is container of database for n8n. That's what we are looking for. That's why we will use it here. So Docker execute. So use Docker execute with interactive mode on this container. Use bash and use command. This is a command for password. This is a pg dump. So application use it to just dump, to just make the dump. This is Postgres user, host, database, and forward it to MNT DB backup with the date. So to use it, we need to add execute privileges, mode plus x MNT pull back. Okay, it is like that. So how to use it? Magically enter, really. So let's take a look. MNT, and here it is. This is a Postgres backup of database. let's take a look what we have here. Yeah, Postgres database backup, a lot of sets. So here it is. Okay, we always could try to compress it and stuff like that, but it's not the most important case. Please notice that we don't use particular passwords. We don't need to, because those passwords and users and database names are kept in variables in running Docker in container. So we don't need to know them. We just need to use them because we are logging into container, and in this container, those data are kept as variables, as they are named like that. So it's universal script. Just login, use local password, execute, and go away. It's perfect solution. So, okay, so we have database, we have a way to backup it, but how to backup it without the login into there and use script? That's would be ridiculous, but let's try to resolve that problem. So we have that script. Let's go to our TrueNAS. Let's go to System Advanced Settings and go to the cron jobs. Let's use one. So let's name it backup. Have it. Command. So this is our script which we already create. User, we can use root. Shadows. Let's create the custom one and let's try to do it every minute. It will work, I hope. Okay, cron created. What we can do, we can wait. It should be use it every minute. We can go here and check. n8n, this is our first created backup. Okay, let's refresh, and here it is. Our automatically created Postgres backup. So in this moment, what do we have? The most important, of course. Let's go to our application, because we have already installed it. We create that automatic backup, but let's try to log in there. It's web GUI, it's here. But like I mentioned, I would definitely not focus. We just need to fill it in and it will be automatically working. Just skip on the login, just skip the request for demo and it will work. So on that moment, we have installed n8n on TrueNAS. We have exactly precise folders which we need to backup. We have already created the automated script to backup database. So just to remember that we need, here it is, the next one. We need to remember that we need to backup those files. And of course, those two datasets, and you will be safe, or you can move that instance to anywhere else. I hope it was interesting, and thanks for today. Bye. Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, if you need our support in designing, implementing or maintaining infrastructure related to virtualization, remote access or TrueNAS storage, feel free to contact us. If you don't need our support but you like what we do, like and subscribe, you know the drill. Meanwhile, we invite you to watch other materials or maybe see you later. Thanks. Bye.